Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant crystal cloche. And so what you're going to need, some of these teardrop pendants, and they're from Efavormart. You'll also need some of these angel tears pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a vase of your choice. It could be round, it could be fluted like this, any shape you like. You'll need a candlestick holder or a taper candle holder. You're also going to need a glass candle holder plate from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will also link those in the description box below as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant and crystal cloche turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You can just use this cloche with any number of items inside. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.